Question number 31 and CBSE sample paper released by CBSE. The following table shows the position of the five elements A, B, C, D, and E in the modern periodic table, students. What you already know, student, modern periodic. You have a complete modern periodic table in the NCERT 10th class book, students. Here, group 1, group 2, you know, group 1 is the first group, alkali metal, alkaline earth metal. 3 to 12 are special D block elements, which are called transition elements. 13 to 18 are P block elements. In this, you know, group 13, 14, and like this. And here, this is a period, student, as period number 2, period number 3, they have shown. Now, the question before us is, student, answer the following giving reasons, student. Question, read the question very carefully, giving reasons. Which element is a metal with valency 2, students? You know that on left hand side of the periodic table, you have metals. You have metals, student. Metals. What are metals, student? They can lose electron, electropositive. Metals are electropositive. So which element is a metal? You can see this is group 2. In group 2, student, in third period, the element is D. So D is the element, student. D is metal. D is metal, and the valency is 2. Valency is 2 for D because it belongs to group 2. The valency, the combining capacity of the element, student, depends on the number of valence electrons, because it has 2 valence electrons. Valency of D is 2 because it has 2 valence electrons. It has 2 valence electrons. This is the reason. The answer is D, valency 2. It has 2 valence electrons. If it is group 1, then what will happen? The valency will be 1. And a group 13, the valency is 13 minus 10, 3. And there are 3 electrons in valence shell. And group 14 has 4 electrons in the valence shell. 14 minus 10, 14 minus 10, 4. And in group 15 to 18, you know, these are non-metals. 18 minus 15 is 3. 18 minus 16 is 2. 18 minus 7 is 1. That's the way you find the valency. The combining capacity of element depends on the number of valence electrons that are present, student, in an element. So our answer is D. The reason is that D is a metal, and it can lose two because it has 2 valence electrons. It can lose 2 valence electrons. Which element is the least reactive, student? Now reactivity, it depends on, again, if an element, why the elements are reacting? Because they want to attain noble gas configuration. So the element which will be least reactive, the one which has group 18, they are noble gas. C, our answer is C is the least reactive. C is the least reactive, student. What is the reason? It has a stable noble gas configuration. Stable noble gas configuration, student. Its outermost shell is completely filled. In a noble gas configuration, the outermost shell is completely filled, student. So this group 18 are the noble gases: helium, neon, argon. Their outermost shell is completely filled. The noble gas configuration is stable. Out of D and E, which has smaller atomic radius, this is my period 3, student. As you move across the period, you know that which element has smaller atomic radius. Across the period from left to right, atomic size decreases. So we can say that in the third, the answer of the third is E has smaller atomic radius with increase in atomic number, students. ठीक है? Across a period, the effective nuclear charge increases. Effective nuclear charge increases. Atomic size decreases.